My AI agent finally has vision. Domscribe full tutorial. Now, if you have ever tried using AI agents for front-end design or web projects, you know the frustration. They can write code, suggest layouts, and debug the logic. But there's one glaring limitation. They cannot see what you are seeing. Without any type of visual context, an AI agent is essentially coding blind. Buttons are going to end up misaligned, layouts break, and their final product rarely matches your intent. Enter Domscribe. This tool is going to give your AI agent vision. It connects them directly to your live browser DOM, letting them understand your interface in real time, visualizing your layout changes, and making them precise adjustments without guesswork. So in this video, we're going to be exploring every aspect of Domscribe from launching the UI broker to orchestrating agents for live edits and show you how to integrate it into your development workflow for maximum accuracy and efficiency. So the first step is actually understanding the Domscribe architecture. So at the core is the UI broker, which actually acts as the bridge between your live browser and your AI agents. The broker continuously monitors the DOM, which is the document object model, relaying visual and structural information to the AI. Now, when you launch the broker, as it is over here, Domscribe automatically identifies all interactive elements on your page: buttons, text fields, images, and dynamic components. It captures CSS positioning and even hidden elements that affect layout. By doing this, it transforms your static code into a live visual map, giving agents the ability to reason visually about the interface. Now, setting up the broker is simple but crucial. You connect it to your preferred browser, select the project folder, and start monitoring. Once connected, the dashboard shows every element in the DOM with live updates, meaning that any change you or your AI makes is reflected in real time. So, how do you actually work with this? Domscribe.com is where you're going to find your DOM code. Now, this is obviously an NPX code, so you do need your Node.js. So what you do is you're going to make sure to download the Node.js command prompt. If you don't have this, you can simply go over to Node.js and hit download. And here from their website, you can get this prompt. But obviously, if you have any other terminal like Claude Code, I do assume that you already have this. So over here, you're going to go ahead and enter the npx domscribe init code, and you're going to hit enter. Now, once you hit enter, as you can see, it goes ahead and loads in. And from here, you're going to start connecting your agents. Okay, so it depends what agent you want to connect. There's Claude Code, there's GitHub Copilot, Gemini CLI, Amazon Cairo, Cursor, or any other manual MCP setup. Now, if you want Cursor, your Cursor plugin support obviously is unavailable. So what you can do is you can add an MCP config to your Cursor. And once that is done, you're simply going to go ahead and agree to all their terms. And once that is done, basically from here, you are going to go ahead and get Domscribe onto your agents. Now, agents like Claude Code or other AI assistants now understand that not just write a button, but place a button exactly under the header and align it with these elements. They can detect overlapping elements, color contrasts, and response behavior. And that is all because of Domscribe. Moving on, you get proper live visual context. This connection allows your agents to actually operate with a level of precision that was previously impossible. For example, when adjusting a whole grid layout, an agent can detect how moving one element affects the rest of the interface and suggests fixes dynamically. Now, Domscribe also introduces visual verification. Okay, a feature that lets you confirm your changes before they are finalized. Now, unlike traditional AI coding where outputs must be manually reviewed against a live page, Domscribe will show you a proper visual aid, which will obviously drastically reduce the iteration cycle. Now, for designers and developers, this changes absolutely everything. You're no longer guessing whether the AI output will break the layout. You see and interact with it as it happens, merging design intuition with the proper AI precision. Now, one of the most powerful features of Domscribe is the agentic vibe coding. This concept allows multiple agents to collaborate on a fixing a broken UI layout automatically. The AI analyzes inconsistencies, identifies misaligned components, and proposes solutions based on design, best practices, and your project style rules. So, for example, if a responsive grid collapses on mobile, the agents can detect the platform, adjust the CSS flex, or even the proper grid properties. And that simulates different screen sizes to verify all the changes are logged, allowing you to revert or refine as needed. Now, agentic vibe coding is particularly useful when you have complex interfaces with multiple dynamic components, as you can see in this example. It ensures the final layout is absolutely cohesive, functional, and visually accurate without requiring manual intervention at every single step. Now you can work it with any stack as well, like React, Vue, Next.js, Nuxt, TurboPack, Webpack, Vite, Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Gemini, CLI, Amazon Cairo, and any other MCP server compatible agent. Now, Domscribe shines when used with multiple AI agents. Each agent can take on a specialized role. One handles structural fixes, the other optimizes CSS and animations, another verifies responsive behavior, and yet another handles accessibility compliance. The UI broker coordinates these agents, ensuring their edits don't conflict and that all changes integrate smoothly. You're essentially building a whole team of AI developers that work together seamlessly, guided by your objectives and monitored through live visual feedback. Now, this coordination turns a formerly tedious process into a high efficiency workflow where multiple agents can edit, verify, and optimize a web page simultaneously. Now, Domscribe doesn't really replace your development stack, it fully enhances it. You can go ahead and integrate it with Git repositories, version control, and your favorite IDEs. Imagine you're tasked with redesigning a complex e-commerce page. Normally, aligning product cards, navigation bars, and interactive filters across multiple screen sizes is tedious. Now, with Domscribe, you can launch the UI broker, connect your agents, and let them scan the entire DOM. Now, agents identify misaligned cards, overlapping banners, and inconsistent padding. They make incremental corrections, simulate multiple screen sizes, and generate visual previews for approval. You interact with previews, approving adjustments, and by the end, the page is fully optimized, responsive, and visually accurate, all in a fraction of the time. Now, Domscribe will represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI agents. No longer are they blind coders guessing at your intent. Their visual thinkers are capable of collaborating in real time, interpreting your UI, and making adjustments that respect your design integrity. Now, before Domscribe, AI agents were specifically really powerful and they were limited. They could generate code, but obviously without the context. The results were quite unpredictable. With Domscribe, you give your agents a lot of vision. They can see, they can reason, and adjust the live user interface, coordinate with other agents, and deliver precise, high quality front end solutions. So, for designers, developers, and product teams in 2026, this is an absolute game changer, turning AI from a guesswork assistant to an absolute powerhouse that manages multiple collaborative teammates. By integrating Domscribe into your workflow, you are not just saving time. You're going to go ahead and download a new era of UI agent assistance and working. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.